everyone, Jeep Mama here, and I'm out here in my garage and I'm going to share some really cool soft top tips for your Jeep Wrangler. You know, a salty Jeep is a sad Jeep, and my Jeep was really sad the past couple of weeks with all the road salt on the roads getting onto my Jeep. I just rinsed her off earlier this week, and you know, the road salt continues to build up on my Jeep. The good thing is it's rained, and you know that rain's gonna wash away that salt off our roadways. But I will continue to rinse her off. The road salt poured on our roads each winter is so corrosive and can cause extensive damage to your Jeep. The threat salt poses to your vehicle is rust, which accelerates with repeated exposure. Just look at all this nastiness. The salt is also so terribly bad for our soft tops. Keeping your Jeep salt-free is kind of unrealistic unless you park your Jeep in your garage and leave it there all winter. But who's gonna do that? You know, there are several ways to be salt-free. Number one, wash your vehicle as soon as possible after it snows. Number two, wash the underside of your Jeep often during the winter months. Number three, now I know this one's gonna be a little difficult for Jeepers, but something you really should think about doing, and that's staying away from those puddles. Don't drive through those puddles because that's where the salt collects. And number four, a power washer is the best way to clean your Jeep because you know it gets into all those nooks and crannies that the salt collects. Now you really should avoid washing your Jeep in temperatures below zero because the water tends to freeze up those locks, and on the windows it's really hard to de-ice them. Sometimes us Jeepers just can't stand to have that nastiness of that salt on our Jeeps, and we just have to wash our Jeeps even in those below zero temperatures. And you can still wash your Jeep in those below zero temperatures, but before you wash it, drive your Jeep around for a little while to get it nice and warmed up, to get the hood warmed up. And also turn your heat on full blast to warm the inside of your Jeep up. When you're washing your Jeep, you really should pay special attention to your soft top. Your soft top needs that extra special care. You should avoid going through automatic car washes because those brushes can be very damaging to your vinyl windows. The brushes can cause scrapes on those windows, and dirt left from other vehicles can also cause scrapes on your vinyl windows. Those brushless car washes can also be damaging to those Jeep Wrangler soft tops. They have those high pressured nozzles that are coming from all different directions and can start leaking into your Jeep. Another thing you need to be careful of at those automatic car washes and even the manual car washes are those car wash soaps with those harsh chemicals. Those can be very bad for your soft top. What I like to do when I'm at those manual car washes, I just rinse off my soft top and wash the rest of my Jeep. And when I get home, I like to use these Best Top products. Best Top has products specifically made for your soft top. All you need to do is read the directions on the back. There's also a vinyl cleaner for your windows that's specifically designed for your windows. I ran out, obviously, because I'm continually cleaning my Jeep.